How you can delete a Facebook page from your Facebook account. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. And this process is similar to PC version, Android version and iPhone version also. This is not web version. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding navigation. Follow my mouse pointer. First, you have to log into your account. Then after, you can see there is a profile icon in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you have to scroll down and tap on see more. And scroll down and you can see there is an option called pages. Just tap on it. Wait for loading. Okay, you can see your like pages, discover pages kind of thing, and there is a section called pages you manage, and this is your page. Just tap on your page. Now you can see your profile and profile switch into your page. Just tap on switch. Okay, now you are switching to profile from your profile to your page. Waiting for switching complete. Alright, looks like it is complete the switch. Now you are in your page. To delete your page, you can see profile picture icon in top right corner again. Just tap on it and scroll down a little bit until you find setting and privacy. Just tap on setting and privacy and again tap on setting, and you have to scroll down okay. You can see there is a section called your information. Under that section you can see there is an option called access and control. Just tap on it. Alright, wait for loading. Okay, now you can see there is an option called deactivation and deletion. You can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. Just tap on it. Okay, now you have two options here: deactivate the page or delete the page. Deactivate means you can temporarily deactivate your page, and delete means you can completely delete your page. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete page. So just tick this and tap on continue. Okay, then they will ask what is the reason to delete your page. You can choose one of these reasons, so you can just tap on continue. Okay, now you have several options to perform. You can save post as an archive, you can download your information, and you can transfer your information. If you do this operation, just tap on those buttons, and if you don't need to do that, just tap on continue. Okay, now we are in final section. Now you just need to enter your profile password. Okay, because this is belongs to your profile now, so you just add your profile password and just hit on continue. Now I don't need to delete my page, so I'm not going to do that. So in your case, you just enter your password of your profile and just tap on continue. Then your page will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Facebook page belongs to your profile. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video, and see you soon in this new video. And if you think this video is useful, please consider subscribe and like the video.